Master Craftsman Studio is an in-house design and fabrication studio that was started here at Florida State University for the purposes of servicing Florida State University. It's a sculpture studio. It's an art studio. It is, to our knowledge, the only art studio like this in the nation. It's mind-boggling over 20 years how many things Master Craftsman has done that has truly contributed to the beauty of our campus. All the bronzes of our presidents have been commissioned through Master Craftsman Studio. We have other pieces on campus that honor Scott Spiker over at the tennis complex. We have a piece over at the Epps building that honors all the fallen officers who went through that program, that fine criminology program. We did a piece that honors them. We have architectural accoutrements on campus, and of course the windows in Dodd Hall. When you come to a university like Florida State to study, I mean, there's a sense of being here that should be awe-inspiring. Now, there's thousands of options to go and get your higher education. And our goal here is not only to beautify our environment, but to really create a place that feels and looks like a place of higher education and higher purpose.
President Emeritus Sandy Dallenberg, he wanted to preserve the university's rich heritage and encourage campus beautification, and he believed that no one could tell our story better than the artists that are working here at Florida State University. So he established the Master Craftsman Studio 20 years ago, and just look at the impact that it's had on this prolific studio and it's had on our campus.
I'm just the steward right now. The work that was done before me is incredible. It's astonishing, it's inspiring. And so the concept that I have the opportunity to work with these talented folks in Master Craftsman is, I mean, it's humbling to me. And so it's very exciting to be part of this.